Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban penkraya pi na kabenda ka neat.
U Menteri Rangba ke Jela u Konrad ke Sangma. Ula IT ya ke Shithi Thungkam ke Nyngkong e hapo ke Meghalaya Outstanding Sportsperson Direct Appointment Policy ha usamla Pynshngaiñ Kurbah. Ubala thau history house nam arajar apsan ban long unong ilekai sports ban Nyngkong e ha ke Jela Meghalaya ban yo Khur Takma ha ke Limpong ilekai National Games. Ya ka Shithi Thungkam la IT ha ka sports conclave kabla long ha Kodian Marriott Shillong kum ka jingpan kre ka Jela ya ka 39 National Games ka bansa long ha usnam ara cara phnyo ha kani kasi u Menteri Rangba ulapan ko burom ru da ka ba a khusnam pisa shakin nong ile ka sports ki bala wanra burom ya ka Jela Meghalaya ha ki rinsan bat ki Limpong ile ka sports bapher ha po ka ri bat shabar kari.
Ladies and gents, Mr. Pynshngaiñ Kurbah. We also have the famous squad member Ripansi Jamu. Let's give a louder round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Next to the MVP of the I-League season 2025-2026, our very own hero, Shillong Ajong's Ramki Buang. Now, showcasing the spectacular spirit, as you have heard recently mentioned, the cultural heritage and our sheer athletic power of our grassroots, let us hear it for the history-making achievers of the Khelo India Tribal Games, breaking all previous records to capture an impressive medal tally for our state. Firstly, welcoming the women's compound archery event, winning gold, Naki Bansharai Thonghat, K. Diamond Lingdo and Stacey M. Sangma. This is the women's compound archery team. Come on, let's hear a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. They have done the impossible. And may they serve as an inspiration. We call upon the next team, again winning gold, the men's compound archery. We call upon Don Kupar El Sharab, Prang Kupar Karjarin, and Bawan Bor Marway. Let's give you applause going, ladies and gentlemen. We have Bethlehem G. Makri. Let's give a round of applause for Bethlehem G. Makri. Up next, I call upon Balarisha Thurniam. Let's keep the applause going for Balarisha Thurniam. And joining her on stage is Melibat Crow. A round of applause for Melibat Crow, ladies and gentlemen. Again, these are the winners in the athletics event. Next, taking the bronze in the swimming category, may I call upon Virim Gideria Nongse. Let's keep the applause and the encouragement going as loud as possible, ladies and gentlemen, as we call upon the next winner, taking away the bronze for weightlifting, Lari Tingkai Laurinia. In the next category, we have winning the bronze in the wrestling. We have Jopa Ojo Nongtudu. Next, I will also call upon the archery recurve men's team who took away the bronze medal. I will call upon the representative, Manshiford Wanya. His other team members are Haiporni Wanya and Ame Balakir Wanya. Representing the team is Manshiford Wanya. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you to our guest icon as she signs and hands over a piece of history. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Miss Shithi.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.